today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up a blank presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is just open up PowerPoint, however you normally would launch the application. And then on the center page, it should say New, and you can select versus blank presentation. And that's all you have to do. Alternatively, you can also select the File tab up at the top and then select versus New right underneath Home, and then select Blank Presentation. You may also want to search down for other templates and themes if that may be more of your style. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.